This time we're going to look at a hyperbola question, and here it is. It says g of x is equal to a over x minus 1 minus 2. And it says that there's a point when x is 0, y is minus 5, and it lies on g. Well, the first question, let's take a look here. It says write down the range of g. And what the range means, it means what are all the possible y values, Okay, so when you look at that, it looks like y can be just about anything, but it can't be this dotted line right here, which is the horizontal asymptote. Well, this horizontal asymptote, you have to just learn the place that the hyperbola can't go. The equation of this horizontal asymptote is y equals whatever this number here added on is, so y equals q. So the place it can never go is y equals minus 2. So that's why the range is any value of y. Y is an element of all the real numbers, except y can't be minus 2. You can't write it as interval notation from minus 2 to positive infinity, and from minus 2 to negative infinity. It's another way to write y is an element of real numbers, and y is not equal to 2, because these are smooth brackets, means it doesn't include the minus 2. Okay, let's look at the next question. Determine the value of a. Well, all you do is you're going to take, you've got a y value of minus 5 and an x value of 0. And that's all you do is you sub in 0 for x and minus 5 for y. And you get this equation. Well, what do we do here? All we do is, well, it looks like the person here in this memo, they multiplied everything by negative 1. It changed that into plus 1, so just a, that into 5, that into 2. And then they subtracted 2 from both sides. So a is equal to 3. Okay, let's look at the last question. They say, what would happen, determine the coordinates of the new point of intersection if we take away 3 from x and we add 7. Well, there's a couple of different ways of doing this. This is the original function. What we can do is just take away 3 from x and just add 7. We get a new function. We can see right here, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. And minus 2 plus 7 is 5. Well, now we're looking at the two asymptotes. X is equal to positive 4 and y is equal to positive 5. So 4 and 5 is the place where they intersect. There's another way of doing it. You can just look here. If you subtract 3, that means that you're going to move the whole function 3 to the right. So 1 plus 3 is 4. And if you add 7, you're going to move the whole function 7 up. Just go to the y coordinate, go minus 2 plus 7. So minus 2 plus 7 is 5. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Just remember, when it's inside the brackets, if you add numbers, you actually go to the left that many. And if you subtract numbers, you go to the right. That works for parabolas. It works for all sorts of different functions inside the bracket like this. Okay, well, I hope that helps.